Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick little decorating project that I'm going to try and do while Chloe is napping right now. So I actually have a table that I currently have in my office. I'll show you it in a second. And I want to move it into my dining room against this blank wall that I've been trying to figure out what to do with for ages. And I'm going to move it against this blank wall in my dining room that I have been trying to figure out what to do with for ages. And then I think I'm going to decorate it with some plants and some other, dining room related things. We'll see how that ends up looking. I haven't kind of planned how I want the top of it to look yet. So this is my dining room, and to the right where you walk in, I have this space here. And I really want to put a table underneath this window. It will be very practical for when we have guests over. I can use it as an extra buffet space for serving food. I do already have this unit here, this buffet, but I thought it'd be really handy, sorry, I'll slow down when I move, to have one on the other side. And it will also help to fill in this space. The table is quite narrow. I'll show you that in a second. So it won't take up too much space for people to move around here, but I think it will look really pretty. And I think it will be a great spot to put houseplants, which you all probably know I love. You can see I have a few because it's right in front of the window. So this is the table I want to move in there. I'm currently using this as my desk, as you can see. This is in my sunroom that I use as my office. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys this, but this is the state of this room right now. It's kind of crazy. I've been trying to collect everything. These are all floral making supplies into one place. We're going to move these somewhere else. And then this is going to become my desk again. And then we've got shelving over here. I'm actually going to show what I do with this room on the channel in the coming months, but if you have any ideas of what you think it's going to be turned into, it's going to be used for something a bit different. It's even going to be used for a dual purpose, so let me know what you think it's going to be in the comments below if you have any ideas. But let's see if I can get this table moved. I'm going to clear everything off at first, and then I'm going to move it across the house to the dining room. So let's see how we go. Okay, here's the table in place. It's pretty light really, so I didn't have a whole lot of issue. I actually got this from Target. I'll see if they still have it. I'll link it in the description box below. But it's actually solid wood. It comes completely unfinished, so you could paint it or do whatever you like with it. I just added some clear wax on top because I really liked the raw wood look of it. But it is solid wood, so it's really, really good quality. But I absolutely love how this looks. It fits perfectly underneath the windowsill there. So now I just have to decide what I'm going to put on it to decorate it. I think I'm going to just shop around my home like I've told you guys I love to do, and see what I can come up with. So I showed you how I decorated this space a few videos ago, but this poor plant is really not doing very well here. I've neglected it a little bit since I made that video, but I just think it doesn't get enough light. So I'm going to try and move that, and we'll see how it does in the new spot. So let's take that over there first. All right, I cleared out a bunch of the dead leaves from this plant. It doesn't look as full anymore, the poor thing, but it looks much healthier now. Gave it a really, really good soak, and I think it looks really pretty there. Next to this lantern, I use these all over my home. I move them around a lot. They're just from IKEA. They were very cheap. They do rattle a bit, but This spot doesn't get walked past a whole lot, so it shouldn't make too much noise. And I think it really picks up this lantern that I have on the dining table with those sort of silver tones, so I think that's quite pretty. I don't think I'm going to do too much more with this table for now. I think I'm just going to leave it simple at this point and just live with it in this space for a little bit and decide what else I want on here, if anything. I think it's totally fine to do that when you move things around your home. Live with it for a little bit, see what you feel, how you feel about it, how it looks over time. You don't have to decide straight away, and you can always change things up. It's nothing is permanent. This was just a quick little redecorating project that I thought I would pick the camera up and show you how it kind of works in real life in my house. I don't always have a grand plan for everything. Sometimes I just want to move one piece of furniture and just see how it looks. So if you enjoyed the video today, I would love if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to join my little family here on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.